Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your own content to create a formative. So this is a tip you're going to want to use if you've already got something in your files and you want to just digitize it and make it ready to go. Like if you've got an old worksheet or quiz or something like that and you want to upload it. So let me show you how to do this real quick. In GoFormative, choose New. And then we'll just call this How to Upload. And we're ready to upload the content. So we press this plus. And this is where you would usually, write your own question or add a question. But I want to grab something that's already got all of my questions ready to go. So we're going to use this one down here, upload your own content. And this is, you can upload any PDF, Word doc, or Google Doc. And I'm going to just go on my computer and find something. Let's see, I'm going to go to desktop. And I'm going to just find something. Here's an old quiz. All right, and it'll take a sec, and it will import your PDF, Google Doc, or Word document. And it takes just a second, but it'll bring it in looking exactly like what you're familiar with. So here's this old pre-calculus quiz. And it's there as an image, but now you have to make it interactable for the students to use. So it says, click on the image to add questions, and that's as easy as it is. You can click anywhere, and it'll add a question there, but that's kind of a weird place to click. So if you don't want a question there, just click off, and it'll undo it. So it's really hard to mess this up. I want right here to be the first question. So even though it says A, I want this to be my first question. So I'm going to just click right there on top of the A, and I want a short answer response. State the domain and range. So over here, I'm just going to repeat the question. And that's it. Oops, I put that in the wrong spot. So just click up and it'll go away. Now I'm ready to add the second question. I click right by the second question. Is this a function? And this is a yes or no question. So I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I am going to do multiple choice. And just restate it real quick. Is this a function? But I don't want A, B, C, or D. I want yes or no. Yes or no. And the correct answer is yes. So you go ahead and click that, and it'll automatically grade it. I don't need these, so you just throw them in the trash. All right. And then number 3 says, if yes, is it 1-to-1? So that's, again, a yes or no question. So I'm going to use this little icon right here to duplicate the question. So I don't have to do everything over again. I can just duplicate. I don't want to ask, is this a function again? But I want the yes or no. So if it's a function, is it 1-to-1? And here the answer again is yes. And I don't have to worry about getting rid of those C or D options because it duplicated my same things for that. Now notice I put this 3 kind of right over the question. All you have to do is drag it where you want it. It's really hard to mess this up. And you can mess with it and play with it and kind of put things where you want them. All right, and part D, if yes, sketch its inverse. All right, this one, I need the kids to draw a picture for me. So I don't want short answer or multiple choice. I need them to be able to draw a picture. So here I'm going to do a show your work. And I'm going to edit the background so they can show their work on a graph. So I'm going to real quick import a picture from my computer. I've got an old grid saved as a picture. And I'm going to have that added. And that'll be the background. So the students can just take the pencil or the highlighter marker tool over there, and they can just draw their answer right on that grid. And then you just press that, and there we go. All right, so I've just gone through 4 of these. You can keep going. These next questions are show your work types of questions. So you can spend as little or a lot of time on this as you want. But one last thing I want to show you is how you can preview it, and so you'll see what the students see. face out of the way. So they'll see the old worksheet or old quiz like it would be on paper. They can zoom in if they want. And then to show the questions, so they can see the picture over here, and then they can do the work over here. This is what the students would see. So here they would have to type out an answer. The domain is, the range is. Number 2 and 3 are yes or no. And 4 is the show your work question, where the student would just click on here and it would open up the workspace. They're going to go ahead and draw on it and answer their question. Now, that should do it. So I hope this was a quick little introduction to how to upload. It's a great way to make use of material you already have, and then you can quickly turn it into a digital format for the students to access. That's it.